Hey guys, let's look at what is a MamaEarth cashback. Okay, MamaEarth has a virtual wallet. Okay, when you buy something and you get some cash back, it will be put into this virtual wallet. This will be there in this wallet for 60 days. That means you can use this cash to purchase something on MamaEarth for 60 days. This cash is not real cash. You cannot transfer this cash into your bank account. You cannot transfer the cash into any money account. It is only for a virtual MamaEarth wallet which you can use to purchase. So how do you use this wallet? So first of all, you need to log into your MamaEarth account or create a new account. Then when you go to pay, at that time as a payment option, you need to select wallet cashback. Now suppose you are eligible for that cashback, that will be added into your MamaPay wallet account. Then you will receive an email or SMS notifying you about the cashback, which is only valid for 60 days from the time of your receipt of your SMS. Now this cashback will disappear if suppose you have refunded the product, you have cancelled the order, you have deleted the order, then this cashback will be removed from your wallet. Another thing is that this cashback is not money, that you have to remember, because there is this confusion that this is real money. This is not money. It is virtual money which can be used only on mamaearth.in for a time limit of 60 days. Another thing is this cashback will be put into your account only after 7 days of buying, or after the refund date is over. Okay, if you have bought a product and it has a refund, say some 10 days or something, after 10 days only that money will be put into your wallet. So this was all about MamaEarth cashback.